What's up, guys? Shain and Dylan here.
What's up, guys?
Yodi gang. Doing a little turkey hunting. Dylan finished up his finals today. He's a senior. Getting ready to head off to the National Guard. Getting ready to go to boot camp here. What, July?
Yep.
Won't be long. Got another service member. Gotta love it. We're set up here. Just got parked. Got everything out. I'm gonna go try to kill us a bird. We'll catch you guys back here in a little bit. You ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. There's a bird right down at the bottom. Can't really see it. ABRNX set up on this bird. See if we can't pull him up to us. Wait for him to pop his head up. See him? Get your gun up. Get your gun up. Get your gun up. Wait for him to pop his head up. Wait. I'm gonna cluck at him and he's gonna pop his head up. Wait. Wait. See his head. Got it. Yes! You hit him. Oh. Let's go. Oh, no! I thought you hit him.
I thought I did too.
found a new spot. Real nice field. We got Dylan ready to rumble. Sit back tucked in case something tries to slip up on us from behind. You ready to rumble? Let's do it. Alright. We got Becky nice and set up here, ready. Bring us something there, old girl. That's old Becky. She's my girl. Let's get after it. Alright, we're gonna get set up. We'll be back with you. All right, guys, well, we ran around the rest of the property, a couple 100 acres here. We weren't able to find anything else moving, nothing else talking. I know Dylan's upset that he missed, but we all missed, man. I'm just happy that his first hunt out, we put one right in his lap. We all missed, man. He just learned from it, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
Thanks for coming out.
Well, thank you for bringing me out and giving me the opportunity to shoot one.
Absolutely, man. We'll be back for all you young hunters. It happens, man. I miss, he missed, we all miss. Can't let it beat you up. Come back for the next one. We'll see you next time. Thanks for hanging out. What's up, guys? Shane here with P&N Outdoors. About to get out and do some turkey scouting tonight. See if we can't put a couple to bed. Getting warm out, 70, 75 degrees. Before I go out, learn this from Warb, Aaron, and the hunting public guys. You want to hit your gear up with some Sawyer permethrin. Guys, this is the stuff. All of my stuff that I'm wearing, all of my garments, tops, socks, hoodies, base layers, everything's got a nice coat of it. Letting it out here dry. Something I've realized that I need to do is I have a lot more tops than I do bottoms, so I have to pick me up some more pants. Anyways, what this is this is really good mosquito, ticks, and chiggers. Not only repels, it kills. So definitely want to be using this stuff during the summer months. Nobody wants to end up with good old Lyme's disease, huh? Well, that's it. You can find this on Amazon. You can find it pretty much Walmart, anywhere you can think of that has an outdoor section. They should have it. Wash your stuff before you throw it in the dryer. Throw it out here. Put a good coat of it on there. Boom, you're done. We're going to get out this evening, go do some scouting. Maybe do a little coyote hunt. We'll see. Catch you guys later.